for the 08:38 Northern service from Manchester Piccadilly. This train will terminate here. For the 09:34 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly via Manchester Airport. Calling at Sandbach, Holmes Chapel, Alton Edge, Wilmslow, Manchester Airport, Heald Green, Gatley, East Didsbury, Burnage, Moldeth Road and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of one coach. May I have your attention please on platform 1. We are sorry to announce that the 09:50 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly has been cancelled. This is due to a fault on this train. We apologise for the disruption to your journey today.
Many thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe.